family-owned business. We've been running for over 35 years. We make attachments for the textile industry to fold material. The folding attachments that we make are for the bag trade, the shoe trade, the mattress trade, the lingerie, and whatever material needs to be folded, we'll make attachment to suit your need. My name is Steve Livingston and I'm the owner of Livingsew Folding Attachments. The business was started by my dad in his garage, and I've since taken over the business, and we're currently running from Hillcrest. I was born in Ladysmith, and that's where I grew up, and then we relocated down to Durban, and that's currently where we are. I design all the folding attachments myself, and I take pride in what I do. It comes from the old school of learning, and we use top quality stainless steel with all our products.